Okay people, here I'm again to bring you a small tip for Spintires that you probably didn't know. Let's see, I have the game loaded and drag over here. So here's the tip. You have your mouse, yes. You go to grab the gear stick. You right click on the gear stick and the top of the knob turns white. Then you can use the mouse to control your speed in different gears. This is the first low gear, and this is the reverse. You can go fast or slow, and whenever you have right clicked the gear stick, it locks the gas pedal to the floor. So now I can drive without using any hands, and I don't have to keep clicking the forward key and get all my fingers tired. And now I can just cruise around the map with only using a little bit steering. So here's the big tip from today. I hope you all have fun and keep playing Spintires. Bye bye!